Chainsaw Man is a Japanese horror action gore manga created and drawn by Tatsuki Fujimoto. The manga is packed with a variety of the best characters, so to find out who is the strongest character in Chainsaw Man, we created a great list that will help you determine who is the most powerful character from Chainsaw Man. If you don't like my opinion, share your opinions in comment down below. 14. Cosmos Devil. 13. Aki. 12. Katana. 11. Raise. 10. Angel Devil. 9. Kishibe. 8. Kwangshi. 7. Power. 6. Hell Devil. 5. Punishment Devil. 4. Gun Devil. 3. Darkness Devil. 2. Makima. 1. Denji.